Meron may ano. Yun, ano pa? Ayan. Tatanungin namin kung gusto niyo yan ha. Kung ayaw niyo, babalik namin. Ano? Wala kayong bigas. Ay, nako, salamat sa Diyos. Ano? Nakarating kami dito. Ayan. Galing naman.
Behold, the King is coming again to bring with him the judgment of men. Are you ready? Are you ready? The sun will be dark and the moon will not shine. The heavens will shake, stars fall from the sky. Are you ready? Be ready. No one knows the day or the hour when Christ will come, returning in power. When Jesus comes again in glory and might, his angels surround. What a marvelous sight! Are you ready to meet Jesus? The King of Kings will sit on his throne, judging the nations, calling his own. Are you ready? Be ready. We'll give an account for each word and deed. When Jesus comes back, we'll bow on our knees. Are we loving? Are we serving? Or now is the time to ponder our days, repenting from sins, correcting our ways. Are we ready? Let's be ready. No one knows the day or the hour when Christ will come, returning in power. When Jesus comes again in glory and might, his angels surround. What a marvelous sight! Are you ready?
At actually matagal na nung nasunugan pa. Kaya lang talaga napaka-busy po.
Kaso sarado yung daanan dyan ginagawa eh. Kaya naghintay kami ng ilang buwan pa. Kasi nga walang maiikutan papunta doon. At malayo. Kaya nagulat nga kami, wow, maayos.
Maayos na. Kami nagbibigay ng lugaw. Kasama nyo ng spaghetti. Oo. Sabi ko nga kay mama nung ibenta yung damit kung may bibili ay sa inyo na. Kasi yun naman ang usapan ng donors namin. Galing pang Pasig yun. Yung dala kong ngayon motor, yun. Yung ano namin. So, hindi to pangako. Ito pa rin namin. Lahat ng aming interview mayroong school supply. Gusto mo? Oh. Oo. Babalik kami. O, sige. Dito ka sa gitna. Yun o. Ayun kaya yan. Alam mo yung bibigkasin mo na. Off ko na ito. Baka